we are the Dubai All Stars, and now we have to greet someone very special. But before that, I'm going to introduce to you these four gentlemen, starting from the yellow submarine.
Hello, my name is Pensky. My name is Dons.
And I'm JC.
And I'm Jay. And I'm also, no, my parents are from Santa Barbara, Pangasinan.
Oh, diba? Hello, Sophia Lauren.
Hi.
We have all the place at the Barbara.
So, Sophia Lauren, we would like to greet your gym,
Yes.
Fitness 360, and we would like to thank you for using our choreographies.
And keep
Thank you
on
so much.
patronizing us.
Yes, keep on supporting, keep on watching,
Sharing.
and keep on sharing our videos. And someday, we might come to your place, Santa Barbara.
Yes.
To meet all of you.
We're gonna do a Zumba class there.
There's a name there, right?
Yes.
Okay, the name is the Pangasinan Gymmers. Okay, by the way, is special hi to RJ Tibayan and the Gymmers, Zumba dancers, Cheryl, Willie,
Danilo, Ken,
Ken,
Ronel,
Ren, and the rest.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all the support. Hope to see you next time.
And
Yes.
don't forget to like and share our YouTube and then Facebook channel.
Keep on dancing, guys.
See you, love you.
Zumba love, Dubai.
Bye!